Okay, let's be real. That daily coffee shop run? It's adding up. And that pod machine on your counter? It's just not the same. What if you could pull a rich, professional-grade shot of espresso right in your own kitchen, in less time than it takes to get in your car? Today, I'm breaking down 3 espresso machines that actually make that possible. We're talking real crema, real flavor, and 0 barista degree required. Let's get into it. First up, the Breville Barista Express. Think of this as your all-in-one home coffee bar. The game changer here is the built-in grinder. You dump whole beans in the top, and it grinds the perfect dose directly into the portafilter. Freshness locked in. It has digital temperature control and a low-pressure pre-infusion that coaxes out incredible flavor. Now, this is a serious investment. But if you're done compromising and want cafe-quality control without leaving home, the Barista Express is where your search ends. The details on how it pulls that perfect shot are worth seeing for yourself. Next, for maximum bang for your buck, check out the CASABREWS CM5418. This compact stainless steel unit is for anyone who wants a real 20-bar pressure espresso on a budget. It comes with both single and double shot filters, and the steam wand actually gets hot enough to texture milk for lattes. Super easy to clean with the removable water tank. Quick tip, let it cool down after steaming before you pull another shot. If you want to skip the line without spending a fortune, this machine gets you there. The product page shows you just how simple the setup really is. Coming in third, we have the Atatix espresso maker. This is the sleeper hit, a 20-bar machine with a secret weapon. You've got one-touch auto modes for when you're in a rush. But flip it to manual, and you're in the driver's seat. You control the extraction time to make your shot as strong or as mild as you want. That flexibility is huge. It also has precise temp control, and the stainless steel top doubles as a cup warmer. It's compact, and the suction feet keep it rock solid on your counter. For the home barista who likes options, the Atatix is worth a deep dive to see all its modes in action. Quick recap. For the ultimate all-in-one experience, go Breville Barista Express. For the best value in a compact package, CASABREWS is your winner. And for versatile auto/manual control, the Atatix is a fantastic choice. All the links to check these out, see full specs, and find today's pricing are down in the description below. Just a heads up, I participate in the Amazon Associates program, so I may earn a small commission on qualifying purchases through my links. It doesn't cost you a single extra penny. These picks are based on user reviews, specs, and overall popularity. If you've got another machine you love, tell us about it in the comments. If this video helped you get closer to your home espresso dream, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and enjoy the brew.